to the moon. Now let's start. Off to the moon. Off to the moon. Tiraloo was a little Eskimo girl. Tiraloo was a little Eskimo girl. She lived all alone in a little igloo. Tiraloo loved to read books and play with her pet Moody the moose. One day she read about a man on the moon. How can there be a man on the moon? She wondered, what is the proof? Tiraloo did not sit and brood. She began to doodle on a sheet of paper. When she was done, she happily looked at it. It was a plan to go to the moon. Tiraloo went to her room. She chose her best books. Then she went to meet Moody. Moody was a very special moose. He could fly when he was happy. Tiraloo feed Moody some bamboo shoots. Moody loved bamboo shoots. Soon Moody ate up all the shoots. Tiraloo began to read the book about the man on the moon to him. Moody was happy to hear about the man on the moon. His hooves were itching to get off the ground. Tiraloo quickly put a belt around Moody and hopped on his back. Swoosh! Moody flew into the sky. They zoomed around the stars and made their way to the moon. Boop, boop, boop. Moody's hooves touched down the moon. It was very cool and spooky. There was nothing but moon rocks everywhere. There was no sign of the man on the moon. All of a sudden, they hear the booming voice say, "Welcome to my moon." They saw a short man with white beard, wearing robes. "I am Mr. Moody," said the man on the moon. "Why did you choose to come here?" he asked. Tiraloo quickly introduced Moody and herself. Mr. Moody bowed to them. He looked very goofy doing it. "This is how we greet our guests on the moon," said Mr. Moody. And he invited Tiraloo and Moody for his moon mansion for dinner. In the dining room, Mr. Moody asked Tiraloo if she would like a scoop of moonberry ice cream. "What are moonberries?" asked Tiraloo. "Moonberries are like gooseberries, but they grow on the moon," explained Mr. Moody. Tiraloo and Mr. Moody became best good friends. Moody, too happy, he fasted on the moonberry ice cream. Soon they zoomed back home. They had lots of stories to tell about the man on the moon. And that's the end.